So if you could, pick a problem, what is there like an unsolved problem that keeps you up at night where you say, I really hope one day to explore or help answer? Is there any type of problem like that you could mention?
Well, one of the things that I find very interesting is that usually when we talk about quantum dynamics, we either study the movement of electrons or as a chemist in chemistry, or the movement of nuclei. But what I think if it would be very interesting if we could study, let's say, the chemical reactivity by following all of those elements, if they would all move at the same time. Now, this is something which is computationally very difficult, and I don't know if there is any potential of it actually being possible anytime soon. But I feel like if that would be possible, it would be really amazing, because then we could gain much better insight into, for example, chemical reactivity or molecular behavior on a much more accurate way.
But it's not just medicine, right? I mean, we could create better fuels, better batteries, right? There's all sorts of potential here. Does any one of those in particular interest you?
Well, I would say I'm the most interested in biological or medical applications, but as you mentioned, like in principle, most of the things are in the end chemical. For example, if we want to talk about reducing the CO emission, then as far as I know, there's a lot of research where how this can be captured or converted into something, or how the fuels are going to be burned, or a lot of those processes in the end, or a lot of catalysis and a lot of different reactions in photovoltaics, and a lot of processes are actually depending on the chemistry.